Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Greyglamma, GGM. Today I will show you how to make crispy and crunchy potato chips at home. You don't have to buy potato chips from the markets again. Let me show you. I use red potatoes here. You can use white potato or Irish potato. Before I proceed further, please click the like button and also click the subscribe button if you have not. Share this video and leave a comment at the end. Now, the first thing we have to do is to peel the potato. Peel and wash the potato. Now I am going to slice the potato. You can use a slicer, but here I use the knife to slice it. Cut it into half, and then one half you cut it again into half and slice it. Make sure that the slices are very thin. Very thin. Can you see the slices I got from the potato? Just look at them. They are very thin, and that's how we want the slices to be. Don't make them thick, because then it will no longer be potato chips. Next, I will now put the potato slices into water, room temperature water, and leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes. This is to allow the starch from the potato to come out. Then I will wash the potato slices. Wash them very well until the water comes out clean. You will need to change water like 3 times before it comes out clean and there will be no starch left. When the potato slices are washed, you drain out the water. Drain out the water and now place the potato slices on a paper, on a kitchen paper or towel, and dry it. Make sure they are dry before you start frying them. I just wanna talk to you. I just wanna talk to you. When you are sure that the potato slices are well dried, now you fry them in deep hot oil. If you want to get an onion flavor potato chips, what you just have to do is throw in a slice of onion into the hot oil before adding the potato slices. And you have your homemade potato chips. Can you observe that they are no longer potato slices, rather they are now potato chips. Homemade, healthy, and easy to make. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned how to make potato chips at home. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe if you have not, and share the video. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.